In this tutorial, we'll see how to increase download speed in Google Chrome. The first method is to enable parallel downloading. Open Chrome, type Chrome 2 dots 2 dashes flags in the address bar and press Enter. Search for parallel downloading using the search bar on the flags page and enable the parallel downloading option. Then click on Relaunch at the bottom of the page to apply the changes. Second method is to change DNS settings. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter to open the network connections. Right-click on your network connection and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Check the option Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 1111 for the preferred DNS server and 1001 for the alternate DNS server, and then click OK to save the changes. The third method is to manage extensions. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the Google Chrome and go to Extensions. Then click on Manage Extensions. Review the list of installed extensions and remove any unnecessary or suspicious extensions by clicking on Remove. Fourth method is to flush DNS cache. Type CMD in the Windows search bar, and then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and then press Enter. And once the command executes successfully, restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.